You like it raw? Oh, the meat? Medium?
Rare.
Is that too much?
Yeah.
I hate combo. Hell yeah.
Then what's wrong with that?
If you don't take your meat, can't have any pudding. How can you have any pudding if you don't take your meat?
At work? Busy?
Busy. The whole Memorial Weekend, we're trying to get a dog.
Hey.
So far, I have Tuesday off, so